Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 36. The thoracic cavity is separated from the abdominal cavity by A. Diaphragm, B. Epiglottis, C. Intercostal muscle, D. Pleural membrane, and E. Pyloric sphincter. Now, the thoracic cavity is the chest region. That's the region consisting of the ribs and the sternum, that's the breastbone. Then the abdominal cavity is the abdomen. That's the place or the parts containing our viscerals, that is the stomach, the liver, your intestine. That is the abdominal cavity. Now, this thoracic cavity contains the heart and the lungs, but it is separated from this abdominal cavity by a muscle. It is separated by a muscle known as the diaphragm. Now let me just give a brief sketch. Let's take, for instance, this is the thoracic cavity with the ribs. This is the sternum with the ribs, like this is the sternum. Now the diaphragm is a muscle like this. This is the diaphragm separating this thoracic cavity here. Let's say this is the thoracic cavity, separating this thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. This is the abdominal cavity. So the diaphragm acts as a muscle. Is a muscle that stands between this thoracic cavity, that's the chest region, and the abdomen. So the answer to this question is option A, the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a muscle, and it also assists in inspiration and expiration. It separates this thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. Now the epiglottis here. Epiglottis is found in the neck region. The intercostal muscles, those are the muscles that are between the ribs. These muscles are between ribs. Then the pleural membrane is the membrane that covers the lungs, and the pyloric sphincter is a sphincter present in the pylorus of the stomach. You'll find it in the pylorus of the stomach. That is where the stomach enters into the duodenum. So the answer to this question is the diaphragm. Diaphragm is a muscle that separates the thoracic cavity from abdominal cavity. Thank you and God bless you. And just subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.